Forensics, baby. This might be the most important upgrade that I have made to my lab this year. And it doesn't even plug into my computer. In fact, it doesn't run Linux at all. And after using it for several days, it has completely changed the way that I work more than any other piece of hardware that I own. If you have ever spent hours at your desk, you know that good lumbar support can make all the difference. The problem is that many ergonomic chairs offer only limited adjustment, leaving you to adapt to the chair instead of the chair adapting to you. That's where the Marrap Ergonomic Office Chair takes a different approach. Its standout feature is a 5-level adjustable backrest that works with an adaptive lumbar support system, allowing you to fine-tune the fit to your body. Combined with a breathable mesh seat, a 3D adjustable headrest, and a 3-stage recline, it is designed to provide personalized comfort throughout the workday. But how well does it actually perform in everyday use? It's a fresh forensics way of life. We break it down, we build it right. From the logs to the lows, from the shell to the highs. This ain't this cold, this is how I survive. Let's scream, blowing my eyes. And now the fun part. We get to actually assemble the chair. I don't know about you, but I love putting things together. Now, I would allocate 2 to 3 hours for this build. I chose to open everything up and unwrap it and lay everything out on the floor. And then I began with step 1 of the build process. Now, you could speed things up by using a drill instead of an Allen key wrench, but I chose just to use the provided Allen key wrench. Now, here's the thing though, you're going to need to use either a table or even the box that all of the parts came in order to place the bottom of the chair onto that surface and put the arms on both the left and right side. These spring-loaded mesh lumbar pads provide responsive, adaptive lower back support that conform to your movements for lasting comfort. It is a straightforward process. Just follow the instructions, and the last and final step is going to be to put the 3D headrest on top of the chair, and then you're done. Now, this is the crazy thing. I'm in a clubhouse in a very high-end neighborhood, and look at the chair that has been provided for the workstation. Compare that to our newly built Marrap Ergonomic Chair. There really is no comparison. My first time sitting in this thing, I was absolutely blown away at how comfortable it was. So I have this tendency to lean forward too much. I kind of even hunch my back, and you can see that even in spite of me doing that, I'm both leaning forward and I'm hunching my back, and still my lower back is completely supported by the lumbar support of this chair. You can see that I'm getting complete support. And if I move from side to side, or if I just move around, it dynamically supports my lower back because of those springs that you can see down there at the bottom. That's not even the best part, because we have 5 adjustable positions for the back of this chair. And you can adjust the positions incredibly easy. So all I got to do is grab on to these arms and then lift up, and I can cycle through 5 different positions. But the cool thing about this chair is that you have all these different options to move these arms. So I can actually move it up, I can move it down, I can move it forward, I can move it backwards, I can completely rotate it from the left to the right, and I can also just push the entire arm backwards, just like that. And by doing that, I am able to completely move these arms out of the way, just like that. And now, even in a tight space, I have absolutely no problem pushing the chair completely underneath the desk. And that's awesome. But that's not even the best part. So when I started this video, I was in a different location. I was actually in a clubhouse. And this is the crazy part. When I was filming the video in the clubhouse, a complete stranger walked in to use the computers And that presented the perfect opportunity for me to get a complete stranger to test out this Marrap Ergonomic Chair against a chair that you typically would find in an environment like this. So that is exactly what I did. So listen to what this complete stranger had to say about this chair when he sat down in it. This is crazy. And I would like you, Cole, to sit in this chair first and, pretend you're about to do some computer work. Get a good feel for that chair. It's probably 30. You said it's what?
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable.
Oh,
take
wow.
take your time, man.
This is just it.
Yeah, so you can move that up or down, right? And you can move the armrests forward. You can move them up and down. You can turn them.
Yeah, forward, up and down.
Yeah.
Very comfortable. Oh, it's got the headrest too.
Oh yeah. And then we got. Let's see here. You can. All right. So if I pull this out, you can lean back.
Oh. Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah.
And it still supports your back when you lean back.
Oh yeah.
But my spine feels good.
Yeah.
My spine is like straight. This is really nice.
And then, it gets even better.
And my feet go up.
It gets even better. So I'm going to pull this out, right? Bring that up.
Oh, wow.
Now you can rest your legs on that. How's that feel?
Oh, yeah. This is like super fun. I want this.
Well, you could go to sleep in this chair.
Yeah, I really could. I want this chair. This is nice.
Yeah.
I need to tell my barber to get this to get me in. This is nice.
So you would say if you had to choose between this one and this one?
Oh, this one for sure.
Definitely this one.
100%.
Okay. We got ourselves a winner, ladies and
10
gentlemen.
out of 10, I do recommend.
All right, everybody, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. First and foremost, I want to give a big thanks to Marrap for sending me this incredible chair. And I want you guys to know something. We do not do fake reviews on this channel. If I do not use the product myself, I will not show it or recommend it to you guys on my channel. So we don't do fake reviews over here. You will be seeing this incredible chair in every one of my videos from henceforward because I absolutely love it and I would recommend that anybody buy it. In fact, as soon as this video is done, I'm going to take me a nice little nap in this thing because it is just absolutely incredible. I also want to give a big thanks to Cole. He was a stranger. I think that was awesome that he showed up and was able to test out the chairs for us. So big thanks to Cole. And finally, I want to give a special thanks to Casey for allowing me to use her clubhouse for the recording of that video. If you're interested in purchasing one of these chairs, the link is in the description below. If any of you guys out there have this chair, drop a comment below. What is your favorite feature? And if you do not have this chair, are you thinking about buying one? Let us know. As always, keep learning and stay fresh. We'll see you in the next video.